Hey guys, what's up? I am so sorry I haven't been pumping out as many videos. I'm just really swamped with school right now. My final is in the first week of November, so I'm really studying pretty much all day, every day, so school has just been my priority right now. I am feeling the fall season, people. Finally, it's starting to cool down. It's only like 78 degrees out right now. I am so happy. I'm blowing off all the dust particles off my sweaters. Ooh, those knee-high boots. Oh, I'm so excited. Speaking of boots, I just got something in the mail today. Daniel got his new orders and we will be moving to North Carolina in March. So you're going to a rainy state. It's gonna have a lot more rain than here. Costco is having a sale on Hunter rain boots. Yeah, I snagged those up real quick. I got them in the color Hunter Green, and they're the tall matte rain boots. They're so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get into this makeup look. So one of my new favorite Starbucks drinks that I've come to really like is the maple pecan iced latte or frappuccino. But I've learned that it's such a hit or miss for people. Like both of my sisters hate it. They can't stand it, hot or cold, but other girls are ride or die for it. So I don't know. I want to try more fall drinks. I just feel like I don't really know what they are. Like other than the basics, like pumpkin spice latte, which, don't hate me, I actually can't stand. So what are your favorite fall drinks besides pumpkin spice latte and salted caramel mocha? Like those are the basic ones that I know. I just want to try different ones. All right, we are nice and white and red and purple again. How fun. I'm gonna prime my face first, but I'm actually gonna start off with the eyes. I'm gonna use One Heck of a Blot by Soap and Glory. This stuff is really good for my pores. My pores have just been looking really large lately. I probably need to exfoliate my face too, honestly. It's been a while. Okay, that primer is all soaked in, and then I'm actually gonna spray my face with the Mixi Hydrating Milky Mist. This stuff is good. It's the finest mist too. It's not when you spray it and it's like big drops on your face. Pixie, you got good products. You go, girl. My fan, that was probably $1 or $2. Coming in clutch. Today I'm gonna use the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. This is an eyeshadow primer. And I'm gonna just stick this on my eyes. I'm gonna blend that out with a flat concealer brush. This isn't the best primer, but I like it better than the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer because for some reason that Wet n Wild primer does not want to mix with concealer. Like it clumps up. It's weird. I've never seen something like that before. I got a new beauty cabinet. Like it's kind of like the Alex drawers from IKEA, but I got kind of like a dupe of it from Michael's. And I usually have everything over here, but now it's all over here. It just, I gotta get used to it. I'm gonna set my eyes with my Milani translucent powder. Okay, I want to try out this new palette that I got. It's the Makeup Revolution Fierce as Fire. It has all those like pops of fall colors that I'm just, yeah, we're gonna use them today. I really want to do like a pumpkin-y look, like a really bright orange, so I'm probably gonna put this all over my lid. First gonna go in with this shade right here. You just put that all in my crease area. Now I'm gonna go in with this really light brown warm taupey shade. Ooh, this shade had a lot of fallout. Woo! Wow. Woohoo! Wow! That is a lot. Goddamn! I'm not gonna blow this shade out as much as the first one. Wow, the shade is really pretty. It's a really pretty transition shade. When I start to get rid of the product naturally on my brush, that's when I start to move upward and buff it out a little bit more. I'm gonna pop some of this deep burgundy purple in my crease. I'm taking this really whimsy fluffy brush and I'm gonna try to just blend that color out a little bit. Wow, it's a freaking huge difference blending. Woo. And don't worry if the pigment fades away. Like this is really faded compared to this side now. That's okay because you can always add more pigment later. I'm gonna go back in with this color and just blend a little bit more in my crease and right above it. Now that it's blended out a little bit more, I'm gonna go back in with that burgundy shade and kind of redo what I already did. I'm just really building up this color now. I'm gonna take that flimsy brush and I'm gonna blend this out just a little bit this time. Just right on the edges, just so that there's not a really, really harsh line. Now for the fun part, I am gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna use my finger just to pat down the excess concealer, just because you don't want globs of it still on your eyelid when you put on that new eyeshadow shade. All right, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna put that really bright pumpkin orange all over my lid. I'm actually just gonna go with my finger with this. It's weird. I'm putting it on this eyelid the same exact way I was using my finger, and when I try to do it on this eyelid, it's just not showing up now. That's so weird. I'm doing the exact same thing. Maybe only the first layer of eyeshadow is good? I don't know. So the orange is not as intense as I thought it would be. If I was gonna do this look again, I would use a really bright matte orange as my base first and then put this shade on top, just because like as the shade by itself it's pretty, but it's not like that really vibrant pumpkin orange in your face that I was hoping for. Let's try to foil it. I'm actually going to use this brush and try to pick it up with this. It's a little bit more dense. Look how weird it looks in the pan now. Why is it looking like that? I'm so confused. There's like no pigment now where that is. I freaking gooped it up, so this better work. Oh gosh, fall out. Holy crap. I mean, it's looking better. Okay, that's starting to look a lot better. This, for some reason, works way better when you foil it. Okay, that's starting to look really cool in like the orange that I was wanting. I'm gonna go back in with that burgundy shade and really deepen out that purple in my crease. I'm wondering if I should put that gold like as my inner corner highlight, or if I should just put it like right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. That side actually looks kind of dope. I just feel like this look is missing something. Let's see if I like this. So I think I'm going to use this NYX Vivid Brights. This is a yellow one. I think I'm wanting to put it up here and like down here. Well, if I don't like it, oh well. Oh my gosh. Please don't mess this up. Okay. All right. That gave it a little oomph. Okay. I have no idea where my already opened one is of this, so good thing I bought a new one. This is my favorite eyeliner ever. I'm gonna do a wing with this look. So let's get to it. Oh, I'm so excited. I love using brand new eyeliners because they're so rich. I'm gonna try to just connect where that yellow eyeliner ended. Wow, I'm loving how this is turning out. I'm gonna try on some new lashes today. These are the Bombshell lashes by Pur Cosmetics. They are 100% cruelty free. They're so pretty. I'm gonna use the Pur Cosmetics Pro Eyelash Glue. I totally just broke my lash tweezers. Rest in peace. I love these lashes. They are so beautiful. And they're so comfortable. Yes. Moving on to face, I did wipe my face off with a makeup wipe just to get rid of all that fallout from the eyeshadow, because there was a lot. For foundation, I have been loving this duo so much. I love the finish of the Too Faced Do You foundation, and I love the longevity of this Essence foundation. This Essence foundation is so affordable. It's maybe, I think, $4, and it is one of the longest wearing foundations on my skin. This Essence foundation is a titch too dark for me, but it's perfect because the Too Faced foundation lightens it up. I'm adding that Too Faced more so in the center of the face. Taking a damp beauty sponge, this is the Real Techniques beauty sponge, and blending that all in together. Right, for concealer, I'm gonna use 2 concealers today, just because. This is a Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. This is in the shade Porcelain. This is kind of like the exact same color as my skin right now, so I'm using this just to cover up those dark circles, to do some spot concealing. Concealer up in this little nose socket, because that's where I look really purple and my dark eyes go all the way up there. To blend that in, I'm using a small angled eye brush for this. I love this for spot concealing because it's so gentle and it really is just so fast to get the job done. Really, you could stop there, but I want to continue to highlight my face. So I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1. For contour, I'm going to be using my favorite contour stick ever. It's the one by Hard Candy. The contour shade is just so perfect. It's that perfect cool tone shade that all contour shades should be. A lot of brands make contour shades still way too warm for me. Even the contour stick from Wet n Wild is way too warm for me. Okay, so I'm setting my face with my Milani translucent powder. Under the eyes, I do that triangle shape we also do with concealer. Any excess powder that's still on my brush, I just go around my mouth. I do this because foundation just naturally wears off around your mouth during the day, so I have hopes that me setting it will prevent it some. Trying out a new product. It's the new e.l.f. Ultra Precise Eyebrow Pencil. I love their normal pencils, but I was so excited when I saw this, and it really is super precise. Alright, brows are done. I used that brow pencil and I just put on some Essence eyebrow gel on top. For bronzer, today we're going to be using the Pur Cosmetics Take Home the Bronze in the shade Oscar. Bronzer seriously makes such a huge difference. It just instantly makes you look more healthy. And for blush, I'm gonna go in with Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Natural Glow. Ooh, look at that instant sheen it provides. For highlight, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlighter, and this is in the shade Lunch Money. This does have a yellow tone to it, but I think that'll go with this eye look. I'm gonna go directly in with my sponge, put that on my cheekbones. Right, to finish off the lower lash line, I honestly almost forgot. I'm gonna take that warm taupe shade and I'm gonna put this all on my lower lash line. And on a flat definer brush, I'm gonna take that burgundy shade, taking that pencil brush and a little bit more of that first shade and really smoking this out. For mascara on the lower lash line, I will be using the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. It's a nice skinny one and it's easy to get the mascara on those lower lashes. Wow, that makes such a big difference. For lips, ooh, here comes those vampy lips. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be using the NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Devil's Food Cake. Alright, this is the final look. I love it. I was getting nervous when I started to do that orange eyeshadow. I love it. Oh, this look makes me want to go get a cup of hot cocoa and put some Marshies on top. Let me know what you guys think about this look and if you're excited for fall. And please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. It really does mean a lot. So thank you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye.